Founded in 1954, Elizabeth Companies began with a vision to revolutionize the tableting industry through innovation, precision, and exceptional service. What started as a small pioneering effort in tablet tooling has grown into a global leader in both tooling and world-class rotary presses. Elizabeth is built on integrity and customer focus, values that have guided us for over 70 years. From pharmaceutical and nutraceutical products to automotive and energy sectors, our solutions empower industries worldwide. Our heritage in tooling is unmatched, with precision tablet tooling engineered for performance, durability, and reliability. Elizabeth sets the standard. Every punch and die is manufactured with premium materials, advanced coatings, and decades of expertise, ensuring superior quality and high wear resistance. But Elizabeth is more than tooling. We are your trusted partner in tablet press solutions, delivering a full range of rotary presses designed with state-of-the-art engineering. From our EP series to other proven rotary designs, Elizabeth presses combine innovative technology with unmatched precision in production, delivering stability and efficiency shift after shift. Every machine is backed by superior customer service, ensuring you not only meet today's challenges, but are ready for tomorrow's opportunities. With a relentless pursuit of advancing tableting technology, we continue to create solutions that empower industries worldwide. What sets Elizabeth apart is our commitment to partnership. We collaborate with manufacturers across the globe to deliver not only precision-engineered products, but also trusted guidance. From start to finish, our team works with you to develop custom solutions that drive measurable results. At Elizabeth, every product reflects our promise: quality you can rely on, technology you can trust, and service that stands behind you. Connect with our experts today and learn how Elizabeth can support your production. Experience the difference, the Elizabeth difference.